So we do not lose heart. Though our outer nature is wasting away, our inner nature is being renewed every day. For this slight momentary affliction is preparing us for an eternal weight of glory, beyond all comparison, because we look not to the things that are seen, but to things that are unseen. For the things that are seen are transient, but things that are unseen are eternal. 2 Corinthians chapter 4, verses 16 through 18. So this is my healthometer bathroom scale that was not working. Normally if you tap this corner here, it will light up, and it wasn't working. So first thing I did is I removed this cover, and basically this cover is held on by this little tab right here, and there's 4 of those around there. So you just have to pry those back slightly off the metal edge, and that's how you get that off. Okay, so after I took the white cover off, you see that there are 4 springs that hold the top cover on there, and I just used those little pliers right there and stick them on the spring like that, and I was just able to lift it right off. Alright, this is the inside of that bathroom scale, and so you can see that on this one, these wires come over here down to the switch. So what happens when you tap on this corner, there's a switch here right down there that activates it. When it pushes down, it just activates the circuit board. And so I was pressing on that and not getting any response at all, and first I wondered whether it was the battery, and I checked the battery voltage, and it was a little bit below 9, but not too bad. And so then I got to looking closer at this, and this white wire had actually come loose. So I am going to solder that back on there and see if that doesn't fix it. See, but it's giving me 0, so that's the problem. And sure enough, lights up, and it is working.